Hey, what's up guys? It's Phil and Brendan, pilot and co-pilot with our Project 182. We decided to come out and give a little update and a little tour of our airport here at Lincoln. Where are we, buddy?
Airplane.
Airplane. What happened? Oh, the wings are off. Oh no.
Oh.
What is that?
It's white. White here.
What is that?
Engine.
That's where the engine goes, yeah.
And airplane and flying and sky.
In the sky. When we finish, are we going to fly it in the sky?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this one. This. And be there.
What's this right here?
Engine. Engine.
What is that?
Engine.
That's a wing.
What wing?
Wing.
Oh, wing.
That's the wing. What's this one over here?
Engine wings. Wings.
Wing.
Yeah. And out and fix.
Yeah, I gotta put it back together.
Yeah. And wing and help. Other and help.
You're gonna help me?
Yeah.
Yeah, lift it up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And help.
So should we catch everybody up on what's going on?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. Alright, so I'm just going to show you some photos of progress along the way. This is the aft floor after it was installed, after replacing the steel bracket behind the landing gear. This is the forward nose tunnel being installed. The rudder pedals are in and everything's being rigged. And this is right before the pedestal is installed. This is the forward nose gear. Everything's been painted, corrosion removed, and reinstalled. This had to go in at the same time as the tunnel. Here's a photo again of the rudder pedals. These are actually getting rigged. There's a crossbar to kind of line up the nose gear and get everything straight, so when we tension the cables it's all straight. And then this is another photo again. The floor, the center pedestal's installed, all the trim cables are in, trim wheels and everything are in, and some new hoses on the side there. And controls, new engine controls. Whenever you do the engine overhaul, you want to put new cables and everything in. The install went pretty well. And this is the aft tail cone area. This is where the cables and everything get rigged, tightened, and all the turnbuckles get safety wired. So this is where the project gets a little interesting. We kind of hit a roadblock. We took the engine down to Lycon back February 1st. Also took this engine mount and exhaust to Loree Air Inc. up in Diamond Springs and to Knisley Welding. These came back great. Everything, couldn't ask for more. Knisley Welding up in Lomis. This is their shop. They have a great shop. It's really clean. They did a good job. And Loree Air, really clean shop up there as well, up in Diamond Springs. So we couldn't be happier with the finished product. This is the engine mount installed. Still waiting on that engine quote from Lycon. It's been about 7 months since we took it down there, so it'll be interesting to see. In the meantime, we decided to pull the wings off, do some of the service letters, service bulletins for the wing fittings. Built a mount under the wing and to hold it up while we take the wings off and check for cracks and things like that with eddy current. This is the outer portion of that mount set up to support the wing. And this is the finished product. It's like a cradle to hold the entire wing so we can separate it from the aircraft and take it down. also eddy current the vertical mount bolt holes. So we took the rudder off, elevators, vertical stabilizer, and everything. Checked all the fittings and things like that, all the bolt holes for any cracking. And this is the aircraft with the wings off. All the mounts and everything got checked out. There's a little bit of corrosion on the left aft mount, so it's getting replaced. That's why you can see in the video the inboard rib is removed and the tank's removed. But anyway, so we'll wait and see if we get a engine quote, and then we'll do another video update of the status and the outcome. There's a good chance pick up the engine and just build it ourselves and go that route. We were hoping to do the Dash 50 P-Ponk upgrade, but it might not be worth the hassle and everything. So here's the rest of the Lincoln Airport and my co-pilot Brendan. You gonna try to catch him?
Yeah.
You think you can get him?
Yeah.
He's really high up in the sky. Should we take everybody for a tour and show them other parts of the airport?
Yeah. Fix.
Okay, after we fix it. Let's go. Lincoln Airport. Let's go in here.
Okay.
Pilot's lounge and the restroom. Don't fall down. Wow. You gotta tip it back so you can drink it. There's no straw.
Straw? Whoa, what's that airplane?
It's the office.
An airplane has crashed. Has crashed. It has crashed.
You wanna go check out the patio?
Yeah.
Okay, come on. You got it? This way. Nice patio.
Whoa, what is that? Here. That's here.
Look at all the rabbits.
What? Give me. That's mine.
Come on, let's go see the airplanes.
Wow, airplane! Flying!
There's a nice little picnic area
Deer! Deer!
right next to the taxiway.
Deer!
Oh yeah, look at that. What do you see? I hear an airplane coming.
What? An airplane?
Up there.
There's an airplane.
Up there. There's our fuel island. Fuel prices right now, 100 low lead, $4.55. Hey guys, thanks for checking out our video. Like always, we enjoyed it. Thanks for taking a look around with us.
An airplane.
And an airplane, like always. Say bye.
Bye.
See you guys.